Welcome to Automate Business. In this video, we will learn how to connect Automate Form with the Automate Sales CRM application and understand why this integration is important for managing leads efficiently. So we'll understand first connecting Automate Forms with the Automate Sales CRM application helps you automatically capture leads and store them directly into your CRM application. This means whenever a customer fills out the form, their details such as their name, phone number, email address, and other information will automatically appear in your CRM application. So let's understand the steps to integrate Automate Form with the Sales CRM app. First, log into automateforms.ai. On the home screen, you will see all the forms created for your businesses and services. Let's take the example of this manufacturing lead form. I will open this form and click the Settings button at the top. On the Settings, you will see the Integration tab on the left side. You need to click on the Integration button on the left. Here you will see all the applications you can integrate with automateforms.ai. Since I want to connect Automate CRM, I simply click the Connect button on the Automate CRM app. Here I can see Select Option or Select Action. So here, whether I want to create the lead or the contact or the product whenever clients fill the form. So let's say, for example, if I want to create a new lead whenever clients fill out the Automate form, a new lead should be created in the CRM. I selected this Create Lead option. Here I can see Add New Action and select an existing action. If you have an existing action or existing connection, you can simply select Existing Connection. If you are a first-time user, simply click on Add New Connection and provide the connection name here. Let's say Form 2 CRM. So now the system is asking for the API key of your CRM app. How can you get the API keys? You need to log into your CRM app and get the API keys from the Integration tab. So I'll simply go back to the CRM app. Here, you need to go to the Settings tab. Click on the Integration button on the left. And here you will see the API key. So you need to click on View APIs. If you have not created any API key, you need to create it in this window, then click on View API key and copy the API key from here. Make sure you log in with your CRM app from the admin account only. Only then will you get the API key option. Then you need to come back to your form, paste the API key over here, and then click on Add New Connection. Once you click on Add New Connection, you will see the pipeline name, the sources they're assigned to, and many options over here. So, to select the pipeline in which you want to bring the data, let's say, for example, I am selecting this food manufacturing and this stage in which you want to capture the lead. You can simply select the stage name and the source. On which source do you want to fetch the data? Let's say, whatever source you have created, you can mention the source over here to whom you want to assign the lead. You can simply select the salesperson name. These are the lead fields showing here. These are the CRM fields displayed here. When you click on a field, you will see the data or values in the dropdown. So these values are the form questions. You can map the form question with the CRM fields. For the first name, you can map the first name. For the last name, you can map the last name. For the email ID, you can map the customer's email ID. For the phone number, you can map the customer's phone number. Description, you can map other requirement questions or any important questions in the requirement field. You can map an amount question in the amount field if you have added an amount question in the form. Otherwise, you can mention 0. This will be the lead title. So any important question or field can be mapped in the lead title. And the company name and other fields you can map as well. There's a custom field in the CRM app that you have created. So in the custom field, you can also map the form questions. Once you map all the fields, click on Save. Once you click on Save, you will see that you have connected the automated form with the Automated CRM app. So let's fill a sample form and check whether we are just getting the lead or not. I'll simply open this form. Now I'll simply fill out this form. I filled out this form and simply click on Submit. So once I click on Submit, I just go back to my CRM app and check whether I received the lead or not. Here you can see we have integrated the form with the suit manufacturing pipeline. Here I can see a moment ago. So I simply got the lead from the Automate form. This way you can integrate your Automate form with the Automate Sales CRM application. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.